Hello friends, welcome to Engine Notes. So today we will see MCQs on artificial intelligence. So first question is, who is the father of artificial intelligence? Option are Fisher Adda, B. John McCarthy, C. Anal Newell, and D. Anal Turing. So correct answer is John McCarthy. Second question, what is the artificial intelligence? Options are A. Putting your intelligence into computer. B. Programming with your own intelligence. C. Making a machine intelligent. D. Playing a game. So, what is the artificial intelligence? Correct answer is making a machine intelligent. Option C. Third question. What are the main goal of artificial intelligence? That is AI. Option are A. To create expert system. B. To implement human intelligence in machines. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. So, answer is both A and B. That is C option. To create expert system as well as to implement human intelligence in machine. Now, question number 4. What is state space? Option are A. The whole problem. B. Your definition to a problem. C. Problem you design. D. Representing your problem with variable and parameter. So correct option is D. Representing your problem with a variable and parameter. Now question number 5. A production rule consists of option A. A set of rule. B. A sequence of steps. C. Set of rule and sequence of steps. D. Arbitrary representation to problem. So correct answer is C. That is set of rule and sequence of steps. Now question number 6. Which of the following is an application of AI, that is artificial intelligence? Option are A. Gaming. B. Expert system. C. Vision system. D. All of the above. So, correct answer is D. All of the above. Now, question number 7. A search algorithm takes dash as an input and return dash as an output. Options are A. Input, comma output. B. Problem, comma solution. C. Solution, comma problem. D. Parameters, comma sequence of actions. So, correct answer is B. That is problem and solution. 8th question. Which of the following is not the type of artificial intelligence? Options are A. Reactive machine. B. Unlimited memory. C. Theory of mind. D. Self-awareness. Which is not the type of AI? Okay, the correct answer is B. Unlimited memory. Now question number 9. Which search method take less memory? Options are A. Depth first search. B. Breadth first search. C. Linear search. D. Optimal search. Correct answer is A. Depth first search. Now question number 10. A problem in a search space is defined by one of these states. Options A. Initial state. B. Last state. C. Intermediate state. D. All of the mentioned. Correct answer is A. Initial state. Now 11th question. Which is the best way to go for game playing problem? Options are A. Linear approach. B. Heuristic approach, that is some knowledge is stored. C. Random approach. D. An optimal approach. So correct answer is heuristic approach. This one is the best way to go for a game playing problem. Now 12 question. The dash is a Turing problem in which each city must be visited exactly once. The aim is to find the short tour. Okay. Options are finding shortest part between a source and destination. B. Traveling salesman problem. C. Map coloring problem. D. Defer search traversal on a given map represented as a graph. So, correct answer is B. Traveling salesman problem. Now question number 13. Question. An expert system differ from a database program in that only an expert system dash. Options are A. Contain declarative knowledge. B. Contain procedural knowledge. C. Features the retrieval of stored information. D. Experts user to draw their own conclusion. So correct answer is B. Contain procedural knowledge. Now 14 question. Now how many types of entities are there in knowledge representation? Options are fact, B. Symbol, C. Both A and B, D. None. So correct answer is C. Both A and B, that is facts and symbol. Now last question, that is 15. What is the form of knowledge representation? Options are A. If then, B. If then else, C. If else, D. All of the above. नॉलेज रिप्रेजेंटेशन फॉर्म कौन सा है इसमें से? सो करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. इफ देन एल्स. दिस इज अ करेक्ट वे टू फॉर्म of knowledge representation. Okay, thank you.